Dear eye, for some, you are no more than sight, a tool to see with. But you mean so much more to us. You are our vision to the world. And to ensure it won't decrease over time, this is our tribute to you. Lumina, a tribute to natural vision. The Lumina changes the world. The first and only intraocular lens. Two moving optical elements ensuring highly efficient and accurate accommodation. These elements are controlled by human eye muscle, ensuring naturally sharp vision at any distance. The result? Life without compromises. Lumina.